Approving a pull request in Bitbucket involves reviewing and endorsing the proposed changes. Here's a concise guide. Log into Bitbucket. Navigate to Bitbucket and log in with your credentials. Go to the repository. Open the repository where the pull request has been created. Access pull requests. Click on pull requests in the left sidebar to view the list of PRs. Select the pull request. Find and click on the pull request you want to review. This will open the PR details. Review the changes. Examine the code changes, comments, and any related discussions. You can review differences between branches, check build statuses, and read through any additional notes provided by the author or other reviewers. Add comments. If needed, add comments or feedback directly on specific lines or in the general comment section. Approve the pull request. To approve, click the Approve button located in the PR's detail view. This indicates your agreement with the changes and allows the PR to proceed towards merging. Merge the pull request. If you have the necessary permissions, you can also merge the PR by clicking the Merge button. This integrates the changes into the target branch.